Hello! Welcome to the Vlog of Tao Science. I'm Dr. and Master Rulan Xu, co-founder of Tao Science with Dr. and Master Zhigang Sha. In today's session, we are going to explore whether space and time exists. Before we answer this question, we need to explore what is space and time. Space and time. The understanding about space and time marks the important progress in the science and physics. For example, the founder of classical mechanics, Newton, have a deep understanding that space and time is an existence where the things happens inside of it. So, according to Newton, space and time are abstract and it exists by itself. Based on this understanding, Newton founded the classical physics and also be able to derive the law of the gravity and explain why the planets is orbiting the way it is. And Einstein had a further deeper understanding about space and time. He finds that space and time are relative. When we change time, the space will change, and with the space change, and the time may also change. And the space and time is determined by the matter. At the same time, space and time determines how the matter moves, and the amount of matter also determines how the space and time curves. So in Tao science and also in quantum physics, all the phenomena we observe is determined by our own measurement, our own actions. So in Tao science, space and time is a pair of code, fundamental code, that creates our universe. The space and time is fundamental basic actions, human actions, that manifest our universe. So time is a fundamental action, the measurement of change. For example, a day. The measurement of a day is based on the movement, the change of the earth, the movement the earth rotated by itself once. So the measurement of time is basically a measurement of change. And also the space is a measurement of unchange. For example, the size of this book is going to remain unchanged for a while. Yes? Before it decays away. So the measurement of this unchanged, the length, the height, and the width is a measurement of space. It's un-change-ness. So the space in Tao science is basically a measurement of unchange. And so in Tao science, we find that this deeper understanding of space and time, we can derive what the universe we can manifest based on these two actions. With this understanding, we can write down the wave function of our universe based on this basic space and time measurements. And from this wave function, we can derive what is dark matter, what is dark energy, how the elementary particles and also fundamental forces such as gravity, electromagnetic force, strong force, and weak force can come out. So this is a major breakthrough in the physics right now. So this breakthrough also teaches us that space and time is a code, is our basic action that we manifest this universe. If we can go beyond this basic fundamental actions, then we can go beyond space and time. So if you can let go of change and unchange, then you can go beyond the space and time to reach the eternity. If you can see the change and unchange is within everyone and everything, and if you can truly go beyond space, the change and unchange, then you can go back to the eternity, which is a source where we all come from. You can truly know each one of us has change and unchange, and we are an identity that is beyond the change and unchange. Our essence is eternal. So if we can go beyond the illusion of this physical world with change or unchange, and then we can go beyond space and time, go back to our true self, which has no space and time. So you see, whether space and time exist or not, it depends on who you are, what level of consciousness you are. So to truly go beyond space and time is a way to reach the immortality, to go back to the source and to go back to our true self. Our true self is beyond the change or unchange. It is eternal. The source is eternal. It does not have this space and time. The Tao is a source. Tao is emptiness. Within Tao, there's no space and time. Or it is beyond space and time. So this is a very profound wisdom. I wish you learn deeper through the Tao science, and also I wish you can go beyond space and time to reach your true self, the internal self, to reach the source. I'll see you next time.